Alright, so here's how to change location in Google Chrome. First of all, just open your PC or laptop and open your browser. Now just go on the search bar and type here Google search settings. Alright, now press enter and just go on the first website. Make sure you are going on the official website by the Google. Now just click on search settings. Okay, here click on other settings. Now select language and region. Here click on result region and select whatever country you want. Okay, I'm going to select Australia for example. Just click on confirm and you're good to go. Now your result will be displayed according to your region. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.